Hello viewers, welcome you all to video lecture on features of 8051 microcontroller. So before going into the features of 8051 microcontroller, let us know what a microcontroller is. Microcontroller is a single chip that contains a processor along with some other peripheral like memory, timer, counters, input-output ports, analog to digital converters, memory, etc. Microcontrollers are used to employ automation in embedded systems, home applications and automobiles. So knowing the importance of the 8051 microcontroller and its applications, let us know the features of 8051 microcontroller. 8051 microcontroller has 8-bit CPU, means it can operate on 8-bit data at a time. So to operate on 8-bit data at a time, it needs 8-bit ALU. The ALU of your 8051 is of 8-bit size, registers are of 8-bit and the memory, the number of data lines to access the data from the memory are also 8-bit. So overall, the CPU, the maximum capacity of the CPU is to operate any operation, might be arithmetic or logical operation on 8-bit data at a time. Coming to the internal or on-chip ROM and RAM. 8051 has 4 KB of ROM and 128 byte of RAM. ROM, we say it as program memory. RAM, we say it as data memory. ROM, so how many address lines? So we try to calculate the number of address lines. So 4 KB of ROM. So 2 power 2 is equal to 4. K is 2 power 10. So 2 power 2, 2 power 10. So how many address line do I need? 12 address lines. So the address range starts from 00000 to 0FFF. So H stands for hexadecimal number. 128 byte of RAM. So 128 is equal to 2 power 7. So 7 address lines. So the RAM address range is from 00 to 7FH. The 8051 has 16 address lines and 8 data lines. So what are these address lines? Address lines gives the capacity. How much memory can be interfaced to the microcontroller or to the microprocessor. The number of data lines give you the how many data bits can be sent or received into or from the microcontroller. If you see the alignment or the arrangement of the address and data bus, AD0 to AD7 carries both address and data. So that is the reason it is named as multiplexed address data bus. And A8 to A15, they are exclusively for the address. 2 16-bit timers / counters. So this is a very important section of your 8051 having the on-chip timers. They are named as T0 and T1. And 8051 microcontroller has 4 bidirectional I/O ports, which are named as P0, P1, P2, P3. All the 4 ports are 8-bit each. So 4 into 8. So total 32 input-output lines are available for us. It has full duplex serial communication port. Full duplex means I should be able to transmit and receive the data at a time. So to transmit the data TXT and to receive the data RXT. Next, 64 KB external program memory and 64 KB external data memory. So we already know that 8051 has 16 address lines. Having 16 address lines, 2 power 16, 64 KB of memory space. So now having the memory space of 64 KB, so 8051 at a time can be interfaced to one copy of 64 KB of program memory and another copy of 64 KB of data memory. So it is like, for example, I have 4000 H address. This address I find it in program memory, also in the data memory, which is ROM and RAM. So how to distinguish or how to know whether this 4000 belongs to the program memory or to the data memory, we'll try to know it in the further classes. So coming to the interrupt section. So what are interrupts? Whenever any input-output device, any peripheral unit requires the service of the processor, needs the attention of the processor, they raise the interrupt signal. So 8051 has come up with the 2 external and 3 internal interrupts. 2 external INT0 and INT1 and 3 internal, one for timer 0, one for timer 1 and one for the serial communication, serial interrupt. Coming to the technology, manufacturing technology. Originally, 8051 microcontroller were developed using NMOS technology, but the use of 8051 in battery operated devices and their low power consumption led to the use of CMOS technology. 8051 is a 40-pin IC available in dual inline package. With this, we cover all the features of 8051. Thank you all.